welcome to my channel. My name is Shelly, and today I am showing you just a day in the life of a work from home mom. And today is a little bit crazy, but I try and get everything clean as much as I can before I have to go and clock in. So this is kind of just like my morning working cleaning routine. And I hope you subscribe to my channel. I put out videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And don't forget to click the bell notifications so you are aware of when I post. And I hope that you like this video. And this little boy's room is next on the list. Oh, it's so ridiculous. Let me know if you guys want to see a tour of his room and how I have it organized when it is clean, because I actually really like how I have everything. But this situation has got to go. It's got it out. And look how stinking cute this little guy is. My mom got it for him for his first birthday, and she just got it at Walmart. They weren't that expensive, I don't think. Like 15 to 30, but it's lightweight. It has these little handlebars, and he's just trying to figure it out. So cute. He thinks it's so fun. And then we just got this little guy from the Dollar Tree, and he loves it. So cute. I don't always clean my desk before I work, but it was long overdue, and I just thought that I would show you. And how beautiful is my amethyst geode? I am obsessed with that. We have the gem show that comes to Utah, and it's pretty big at one of our expo centers, and I just love it. And then that's a kyanite necklace that I have strung around it. At the bottom there, I am obsessed with gems and crystals, and I just believe in their healing properties. Let me know if you know anything about that or what your favorite gemstone is. I would love to, find more people that are interested in that kind of thing. But I'm just using my Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose cleaning spray in lemon verbena. I am on the hunt for the honeysuckle. I am trying to get it at like Walmart, or actually Walmart doesn't have it, but I always look for my Mrs. Meyer's at Target and Winco. They always have it, but they don't really have a big variety, or it's picked over. So I'm on the hunt for that. I hope they come out with it soon. I also really like the peony scent, and I might just crack down and sign up for a Grove Collaborative, because I want to try out their mint, and like all their spring scents sound right up my alley. Let me know if you guys tried it. Do you like Grove? Should we do a haul and like unboxing? I'm curious. Let me know. And then I have already clocked in, and then I'm going to quickly just do some work for my channel. So Our network was down, and you know, just change of plans. I always seems to happen when I have a plan for a video and going to film throughout the day. It seems like something always happens. So I got called into work, and I thought, you know, I'll just continue making my day in a life video of a work at home mom, and this is what happens sometimes. And you know, you might want to watch it, I guess. So I'm just going to quickly throw myself together. I had to hurry. Luckily, I only live like 10 minutes away from the office, but I wish I would have been able to wash my hair and all of that, but it's gonna have to just be a mom bun today. And yes, this is Suave spray, and it's not my favorite, but it's what my boyfriend uses, and I don't typically use hairspray. Then my go-to Burt's Bees chapstick is Life. If you are in the market for a chapstick, because you know how you get a chapstick and it just like makes your lips more chapped? The Burt's Bees ones do not do that. They taste good. They feel really nice on your lips. I swear this isn't an ad for them, but I really live by them. I would love to have an ad by them. So I'm just going to quickly put my face on and then head out the door as quickly as possible. And if you are interested in what products I use and my makeup routine, I actually did post a video about that, so I will link it here above and also below. Make sure you check that out as well. It's all drugstore products, really affordable, and you actually end up with a pretty good look, I think. So check that out if you'd like. Everybody that works from home had to come in today, and there's nowhere to park, so I'm clear out in BFE, but we're here, so let's get working, I guess. Well, it has been a day, you guys. I mean, it's been 5 hours since I picked up the camera, but to you guys, it's just like 2 seconds ago, so it's fine, but work was just too crazy. There was nothing that So I am now going to the grocery store and going to pick up some groceries. We have like nothing. We used up pretty much everything, and I didn't really prepare that much of a list, and so I'm just gonna kind of wing it and hope that I stay within budget. I have to get some gas, and then I'm gonna film part 2 of my kitchen deep clean. So I'm gonna need some serious energy. Okay, so I made a list, and I kind of like how I have it written out this time. That's the first time I've done it like this, so I am going to show it to you. Okay, so I have it like sectioned out. I have my fruits and veggies and my produce. Oh, I need to put on there steaks. And I have like my breakfast items. I kind of grouped it how my grocery store is, but also like how my brain works. So I want it to be categorized in sections. So steaks. Oh, and he wanted barbecue sauce. And I have our drinks, meal ideas. I didn't get really far. Shoot, I think there was something else and I just forgot. It's okay, but this is what I'm gonna get. And if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you like my routine videos. Be sure to check out my other ones. I will link them above, and I hope you guys have a good day.